Hello students, welcome to Science and Technology Part 2 for 9th Standard. I am Mahesh Jayappa from Srimati Rajmati Nemgonda Patil Girls High School and Junior College, Sangli. Students, here we are going to study the topic 9th, Environmental Management. That topic will be discussed in 3 parts. In first part, we are going to discuss about weather and climate and meteorology. In second session, we are going to study solid waste management, and in the third stage, we are going to discuss about disaster management. So, welcome in the first session of the topic 9th, environmental management. Introductory part, it is that atmosphere always affects on us because we are living on the earth, and earth has different factors which affect on us. There is a by government information is given to us about changing atmosphere regarding to it, that is, today is sunny day, today is cloudy climate, there will be rain tomorrow, there will be heavy rain in some part of country, state, district and particular area, there will be storm may occur at coastal area. Such information is helpful to us and it is occurs due to change in the atmosphere. Weather and climate. Weather is defined as atmospheric condition at a specific time at a particular place are referred as a weather. Atmospheric condition depends upon the variety of factors. These weather related climatic factors are here in the slide. We are seeing that weather related to climatic factors. First is the atmospheric pressure, sunlight, clouds, humidity, rainfall, visibility and temperature. These are the some factors which are affecting on the weather and the climatic conditions. Weather depends upon the prevailing condition of the air. The climate of a particular region is the average of daily readings of various weather related parameters recorded for several years. Hence, climate is the long term predominant condition of the atmosphere. Students, weather related depends upon, that is, the different climatic of particular region is the average of daily reading, means in that particular area what are the prevailing conditions and what are the past conditions are studied, and according to that reading the forecasting of the weather can be done with respect to that area. Changes in weather. Climate does not change continuously. Climate is that which remains constant in a region for a long duration. Third, we see that weather is related to a specific location and specific time, whereas a climate is related to a longer duration and longer area. Changes in the weather may occur for short periods of time, whereas changes in the climate takes place slowly over a much long time duration. What is the role of climate? Role of climate is playing important role in our day-to-day life. It influences our basic needs like food, shelter and clothing as well as our occupations. Climate is especially important for an agrarian country like India. Various climatic factors like direction and speed of wind, temperature, atmospheric pressure, etc. are considered during construction of runways, seaports, huge bridges and skyscrapers. A special day. We know that 23rd March is observed as World Meteorological Day. You can collect information about meteorological and prepare chart to create awareness about it. So meteorology is one of these branch of science which deals with the study of weather and climate, and on to awareness for that 23rd March is selected or celebrated as a special day for the World Meteorological Day. Importance of weather in the living world. We know that weather is playing an important role with respect to earth, so it creates an importance with respect to living world. First, daily weather as also long-term climatic condition influences human lifestyle directly or indirectly. Land, plants and animals collectively form the natural environment on the earth. This environment is responsible for the development of the organism. Second, the climate of a particular region helps to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupations and lifestyle of the people of that region. For example, the characteristic lifestyle of Kashmiri and Rajasthani people. In Kashmir, there is a heavy snowfall is there, so the climatic condition is very cold. But in case of Rajasthan, the temperature is high, so the peoples are suffering with the high summer or high temperature. Third, salinity of marine water, formation of oceanic currents, water cycle, etc. are all related to various weather and climatic factors. Importance of weather in the living world. The fourth factor is that various climatic factors bring about the weathering of rocks in the earth crust. Fifth one, climate plays a very important role in the formation and enrichment of soil. Sixth, microbes in the soil play an important role in formation of organic material. This process depends upon various climatic factors. Third, it is very clear that the study of meteorology is very important for the viewpoint of human life. Now we are going to discussing about climate. What is mean of climate? While ascertaining the climate of a particular region, a review of earlier studies of various aspects of climate is very important. Most countries in the world have established a meteorology department for making and recording such observations. These departments have observatories which are equipped with modern instruments and technology. Second, if present climatic conditions are analyzed with reference to the past climatic conditions, we can predict climatic changes of the future. However, as climate is the net result of a complex mixture of various atmospheric factors, forecasting it is very complicated and difficult. Forecasting is easy for places where climatic changes are slow and of a limited nature. However, while climatic changes are complex, interdependent and rapid, making forecast is very difficult. Meteorology, it is the science that studies the interrelationship between the various compounds of air, natural cycles, geographical movements of the earth and climate is called as a meteorology. Meteorology includes the study of storms, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. Depending upon the study of such factors, weather forecasts are made. They are useful to common people, farmers, fisheries, aviation services, water transport and various other organizations. Institute at work. The World Meteorological Organization, that is WMO, was established by the United Nations Organization on 23rd March in 1950. This organization plays an important role in food security, water management, transportation and communication. Indian Meteorological Department, that is IMD. The India Meteorological Department was founded by British in 1875 at Simla. Its head office is at Pune and its regional offices are at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur and Delhi. Maps are prepared every day which indicate the daily predictions about weather. Such maps are prepared and published twice in every 24 hours. In this institute, research goes on continuously on various aspects like instruments for climatic regarding, predictions about climate made by using radar, prediction about climate related seismology, predictions regarding rainfall by satellites, air pollution, etc. IMD department. The IMD provides important information regarding weather and climatic condition to other departments like aviation, shipping, agriculture, irrigation, marine oil exploration and production, etc. Prediction regarding calamities like dust storms, sandstorms, heavy rainfall, hot and cold waves, tsunami, etc. That information is provided by IMD department. Are communicated for various departments, all types of mass communication media and all citizens, that is the information is given to all human beings at the different departments. For this, purpose, India has launched several satellites equipped with high-class technology. Observatories at several locations are doing excellent work in the analysis of the information received from these satellites. Monsoon model and climate prediction. The tradition of forecasting the monsoon season in India is more older than 100 years. After the famine in 1877, H.F. Blandford, the founder of IMD, had made such a prediction for the first time, taking a snowfall in the Himalayas as a parameter for the prediction. In the decade 1930, the director of IMD, Sri Gilbert Walker, had underlined the relationship between various worldwide climatic factors and the Indian monsoon, and based on available observation and previous recordings related to this relationship, put forth the hypothesis regarding the nature of the monsoon with the initiative of Dr. Vasantarao Gowarikar. In the decade of 1990s, a monsoon model was based upon 16 worldwide climatic parameters was developed. It is in the use of from 1990 to 2002. Hello students. In this slide, we are going to see that is the three monsoon models, that is mathematical model, holistic model and statistical model respectively. Always remember, any meteorological model depends upon the interrelationship between parameters used in the model and the resultant expected from it. However, as these interrelationship with reference to the ocean and atmosphere are never constant, meteorological models need to be changed continuously. Hello students, we are finishing here the first part of topic 9th, environmental management with respect to weather and climate and meteorology. So very well, thank you all of you.